Every night at 3 a.m., the abandoned church bells chime, their echoes weaving through the silent town like a sinister lullaby. It started as a curiosity, a sound too perfectly timed to be accidental. I felt drawn to the source, my feet gravitating toward the church despite my mind's protests. The first night I stood outside, the bells tolled 13 times, each chime resonating within my chest, an unspoken promise of revelation. As the nights passed, the pull became irresistible, and last night, in the moonlit sanctuary, I found myself at the altar, its cold stone surface concealing secrets whispered only by the wind. My fingers traced the edges, and the ground beneath me shifted, revealing a hidden staircase. The air below reeked of damp earth and decay, a grave deep within. As I descended, the bells tolled again, louder, each chime a heartbeat. At the base, a shadow moved, a figure, waiting, its presence as ancient,